Hey guys, my name is Courtney, but you probably know me better as the Flipping Nomad. Welcome back to the progress updates of this concept RV. This is the insane one-off shell that I am building with Keystone. Last week you saw us take possession of this Montana and start our first round of demolition. In the video last week you saw us tearing apart this closet. Well, we are completely reconfiguring this bedroom. We're going with a north-south bed, so we have converted what was the original closet into the headboard. Since we're swapping the configuration of the headboard and the closet, we are transforming the slide into what will now be the new wardrobe. It was really important to us to reuse any components that we got with the unit. So as you'll see here, we've got an old cabinet face as well as half of the dresser that we are going to look at repurposing into the new wardrobe. This week we are going to continue working on the bedroom and hopefully have it wrapped up by the time you see it next week. So it is going to blow your mind when it's all said and done. Like I told you last week, we're working on this unit in rooms. So we are jumping down to the kitchen next because we have to wait for some huge components to come in for the bathroom. That bathroom is going to be the craziest thing that you have ever seen. Also this week, we have a lot of insane meetings lined up with some vendors that are providing some of the most incredible products, even from around the world, for this concept unit. So be sure you check back next week for even more progress updates of this insane concept Montana.